Welcome to the broadcast. Now, kicking off the bulletin is that Treasury CS Henry Rotich appeared before the DCI headquarters for questioning over the Aurora and Kimwarer Dam scandals alongside 27 other suspects. This comes after the DPP, Nordin Haji, issued orders on the arrest of the officials.
In what turned to be one of the controversial government projects, Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich and his permanent secretary Kamau Thugge have been arrested and taken to DCI headquarters for questioning over the Kimwarer and Harrow Dam scandal. The arrest orders issued by Director of Public Prosecution Nordin Haji came after the DPP and Director of Criminal Investigation boss George Kinoti flew to Italy to conclude investigation to the dam scandal.
Upon investigations by the DCI, it was established that the conception, procurement, and payment process for the Aurora and Kimwarer Dam projects in Elgeyo-Marakwet County were riddled with massive illegalities. Having established this, the DCI and I set up a joint team that conducted further in-depth investigations which revealed that several persons and legal entities committed criminal acts and omissions.
According to the DPP, the Kerio Valley Development Authority floated the procurement rules in handing the Aurora and Kimwarer Dams contract to CMC Ravenna, in which the contract was inflated by 17 billion shillings. The alleged commercial contract signed between KVDA and CMC Ravenna states that Kimwarer Dam would cost 20.4 billion shillings, while Arrow Dam would cost 25.2 billion shillings, all totaling to 46 billion shillings.
The alleged commercial contract signed between KVDA and CMC Ravenna, Itenera joint venture, clearly states that Kimwarer Dam would cost US dollars 204,020,149.02, while Aurora Dam would cost 252,188,732.27 million dollars, totaling to US dollars 456,208,881 million dollars, approximately Kenya shillings 46 billion.
However, the National Treasury negotiated a commercial facility increasing the amount to approximately 63 billion shillings, which is 17 billion more than required payable on a timely basis without regard to performance. Those that were ordered to be arrested include Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich, his Permanent Secretary Kamau Thugge, ESC Permanent Secretary Susan Koech, former Kerio Valley Development Authority Managing Director Kipchumba Kimosop, Treasury Chief Economist Kenyan Nyachiro, and Treasury Director of Resource Mobilization Jackson Kinyanjui, and NEMA CEO Geoffrey Mwangi Wahungu. The suspects will be charged with conspiracy to defraud, willful failure to comply with applicable procedures, abuse of office, committing an offense of financial misconduct, fraudulent acquisition of public property, and neglect to perform public duty. Chris Sambu, KUTV.